Welcome to Jasmine Home and Garden, a place for calm interior design and elegant home decor. If you enjoy these ideas, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.
Modern rockery design brings together the enduring strength of stone and the gentle elegance of succulents. Carefully arranged boulders create structure and permanence in the landscape. Between these sculptural forms, low-growing succulents soften edges with subtle color and texture. This balance between rugged and refined creates a garden that feels both grounded and graceful. Neutral stone palettes in gray, beige, and soft charcoal provide a calming foundation. The result is a landscape that feels timeless, serene, and beautifully composed. Layering stones of varying sizes adds dimension and visual rhythm. Larger rocks anchor the design, while smaller gravel and pebbles create smooth transitions. Succulents planted in clusters introduce contrast with fleshy leaves and sculptural shapes. The interplay of textures keeps the garden visually interesting throughout the seasons. Thoughtful placement ensures each plant has space to shine. This layered approach transforms a simple yard into an elegant composition of form and balance. A modern rockery offers refined beauty without constant upkeep. Succulents thrive in well-drained soil and require minimal watering. Stone surfaces naturally suppress weeds and reduce maintenance tasks. This practical design supports both sustainability and convenience. Gravel pathways and stone borders provide clean lines that stay tidy year-round. The landscape remains polished and inviting with far less effort than traditional lawns. Soft greens, silvery blues, and muted purples blend beautifully with natural stone hues. Echeveria and sedum varieties add gentle color variation without overwhelming the space. Pale limestone or warm sandstone enhances the subtle tones of succulent foliage. The restrained palette creates a soothing outdoor environment. Carefully coordinated shades bring cohesion and visual calm. This harmonious balance elevates the garden into a refined backyard retreat. Stone pathways guide movement while adding architectural interest. Stepping stones set within gravel create rhythm and direction. Succulents planted along the edges soften the hardscape lines. Curved paths introduce a sense of discovery within the landscape. Clean borders maintain structure and clarity. A thoughtfully designed pathway transforms a simple walk into a graceful garden experience. Elevated stone beds create depth and dimension in flat yards. Retaining walls built from stacked stone provide strong visual anchors. Succulents cascade gently over edges, softening the structure. These raised sections improve drainage and plant health. Varied heights make the garden feel dynamic and engaging. The layered elevation adds sophistication to even modest outdoor spaces. Stone-filled containers offer flexibility and charm for patios or porches. Shallow bowls filled with gravel and clustered succulents create miniature landscapes. Concrete or ceramic vessels complement natural stone textures. Grouping containers in varied heights adds visual interest. These portable arrangements allow seasonal refresh without heavy labor. Compact rock gardens bring elegance to smaller outdoor settings. A modern rockery connects seamlessly with home exteriors. Stone selections can echo facade materials or trim colors. Clean geometric arrangements align with contemporary design lines. Succulents introduce organic softness against structured surfaces. The transition between home and garden feels natural and intentional. This cohesion enhances overall curb appeal with understated elegance. Succulents offer subtle changes throughout the year. Some varieties deepen in color during cooler months. Flowering types provide delicate blooms in spring and summer. Stone elements remain steady anchors through every season. The combination ensures visual interest without dramatic fluctuation. A rockery garden maintains beauty and structure regardless of the weather. Modern Rockery Ideas create peaceful outdoor environments rooted in simplicity. Stones provide permanence and strength. Succulents introduce softness and sculptural grace. Clean lines and thoughtful layering maintain order. The design remains elegant without feeling excessive. Together, these elements shape a low-maintenance backyard oasis that feels both luxurious and welcoming.
Timeless home aesthetics rest on calm spaces, gentle color harmony, layered textures, and thoughtful flow that bring comfort into daily surroundings. If these ideas brought inspiration, please like, subscribe, and share your favorite detail in the comments so this space can continue to grow with warmth and elegance.